Hello, creative, crafty, lovely. If you're a new subscriber or returning subscriber, I am so delighted that you are here. I am coming on here to do a project share. I am going to be participating in an upcoming swap over on Facebook. And for this swap, we needed to create 4 strips, and these had to be like crepe paper, and they had to be Christmas theme. So I created 6 of them. And the way the tutorial shows is that you used a piece of strip paper 3 3/4 by 1/2 inch, and then you'd get your crepe paper and like the rolls that you get over at the Dollar Tree or Walmart, and you cut those in half, and they are 11 inches, and then you go ahead and you pleat them. And so and then you add sentiment, or you add whatever you want to do to decorate them. And all of these deers I have had for a while, so I'm happy that I can go ahead and use them because I got them in a swab, and they finally presented the right time to go ahead and use them. And so this is that one, and then this right here, the Joy, I also got in a swab. So there's that. And then there's this one right here. This is a Jolly, and the Jolly came from a KS Craft die set. And then this one right here, and this is Noel. And the Noel also, I think, came from the set. I could be wrong, but it is a KS Craft one as well. So yeah, and so like I said, I'm so happy that I finally got to use all of these deer die cuts, and so this is what's going to be going out to my partner. Here is a good look at all of them together, and I will link the original tutorial that I followed down in the description below. That way, if you want to make some of your own, you can. The great thing about these crepe paper ruffle embellishments is that they can be tailored to any project that you need them for. I can see these being used for like maybe bag toppers, but of course, the recipient can use them for whatever. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you find happy little moments throughout your day. Bye.